Hello everyone. I'm going to tell you in detail how the program works, and I hope you won't have any questions. The program continuously generates mnemonic phrases of random crypto wallets, then converts these mnemonic phrases into a 12-word seed phrase. The obtained seed phrase is converted into root keys. In turn, root keys are converted into a private key and a wallet address. The obtained wallet address is searched for in the database of active wallets. This database contains the addresses of wallets that have ever been active. If the program manages to find the generated address in the database, it means that you already have all the data to enter this wallet because you have already generated the seed phrase and private key in the beginning. All these operations are performed very quickly, and you only see the final address to be checked in the database in the program window. When the program selects the seed phrase and private key to the active wallet from the database, it will save the obtained data into a log.txt text file. You will be able to access this wallet without any problems. All these wallets are considered forgotten, and they belong to those people who have access to them, for example, you. Currently, there are about 377 million Ethereum blockchain and Binance Smart Chain wallets in the database. I update it on a regular basis. If you have problems with downloading the database in your country, try to start downloading the database with VPN on, and then, after the download starts, immediately disconnect it. To run the program on Windows, go to my Telegram channel and download the archive for Windows. Unzip it to a convenient location for you. Download the wallet database using any of the two links in my Telegram channel and move it to the folder containing the program. After you have downloaded everything, run the farm file. Type in the number of threads in which our program will run. The number of threads depends on your CPU and the load you want to put on it. You can determine the optimal number of threads for your PC by yourself. For example, you can enter 10 threads to start with, check what load is on your CPU, and then adjust the threads at your discretion. Next, specify the path to the database. The easiest way to do this is to click the Properties button and find the path to the database location, copy it into the program, and add the name of the database. In the same way, specify the path to the log.txt file in which the found wallets will be stored. Press Enter, and the program will start searching. After each run of the program, this message will be displayed in the text file, which means that you have correctly specified the path to the text file and all the found wallets will be accurately saved in it. The found wallets will be stored in this format: seed phrase, wallet address, and private key. Also, when you run the program, these two files should be displayed in the folder with the database. These files indicate that the connection to the database was successful. After you exit the program, you should delete these two files so that the connections to the database will not overlap in the future. Do not touch these files while the program is running. For those who cannot run the program or the program crashes after launching it on Windows, try installing different versions of Visual C++. Running the program on Mac OS. Previously, the program only ran on M-series chips installed in the newest Macs. Now the program supports earlier Intel CPUs. To run the program on Mac OS, follow the same steps as you would for Windows. Download the archive from the Telegram channel for Mac OS and unzip it to a convenient location. Download the database using any of the two links and move it to the folder containing the program. Run the program by right-clicking and clicking Open. Type the number of threads, specify the path to the database by clicking Properties and copying the location path. Add the name of the database at the end. Next, specify the path to the log.txt file in the same way. Press Enter and the program will start. Just like on Windows, you will see a record in a text file after each run of the program, indicating that you have correctly specified the path to the text file to log the results. You will also see two files in the database folder that indicate a successful connection to the database. After you exit the program, you should delete these two files to terminate the connection to the database. Do not touch these files while the program is running. Now I'm going to tell you about further plans for updating the program. In the upcoming updates, you will see the expansion of the database. I intend to add other popular blockchains. Also, I am working on adding a feature of working via graphics card to the program to improve performance. However, this version of the program will most likely be a fee-based version, as the financial and time costs to implement this feature are rather significant. I keep in mind that the odds of finding an accidentally active wallet at the current speed of the work of the program and the database of active wallets are almost equal to 0. That's why I think it's important to develop the speeds of wallet search by means of the graphics card, to constantly expand the database by adding more and more blockchains. This is not a button to get money, this is just a free lottery.